We live in a culture that idolizes strength, self-sufficiency, and having it all together. We hide our flaws, mask our anxieties, and apologize for our limitations. But in God's kingdom, the economy is reversed. Our weakness isn't a hurdle to God's power. It is the very platform for it. Paul wrote these words while struggling with a thorn in the flesh, something painful that he begged God to remove. God's answer wasn't to take away the struggle, but to offer a deeper supply of grace. Think of a stained glass window. It is the cracks and the seams between the broken pieces of glass that allow the light to form a beautiful pattern. If the glass were one solid opaque sheet, the light couldn't dance through it. Your cracks, your fatigue, your mistakes, your areas of inadequacy are where God's light shines most brightly. When you reach the end of your own strength, you finally get to witness the beginning of His.